GeopByte.
Look at the another important question. Try to read it clearly. It is asking like this. A force defined by F equal to alpha t square plus beta t acts on a particle at a given time. The factor which is dimensionless if alpha and beta are constants. Among the given options, which quantity is having no dimensions? You are asked to decide dimensionless quantity. So look at the option A, alpha t by beta, alpha beta, alpha beta by t, beta t by alpha. For that, you need to decide the dimension for the alpha and beta. For deciding the dimension for alpha and beta, you need to apply the right dimensional homogeneity. That is the principle of dimensional homogeneity. The force F is given alpha t square plus beta t, where t be the time. Now, here force dimension, principle of dimensional homogeneity says that force dimension must be equal to alpha t square dimension. Similarly, force dimension is equal to beta t dimension. Beta t dimension. Let us write the force dimension. Force dimension is m l t power minus 2. There is the force dimension because force F equal to what? Force F equal to ma, right? A dimension is L by t power 2, L t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for the force. Is equal to m means m power 1, L power 1. Alpha dimension t power 2, t power 2. From this, the dimension of the alpha equal to m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 4, t power minus 4. We got alpha. Similarly, let us decide for the beta m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 2 is the dimension for the force equal to beta dimension multiplied by right time dimension t. From this I can write that the dimension of the beta equal to m power 1, L power 1, t power minus 3, 3 power t power minus 3. Then, right, let us decide for the first option alpha t by beta. Alpha t by beta. Alpha t by beta. Alpha dimension is what? M L power 1 t power minus 4. M power 1 L power 1 t power minus 4 multiplied by t divided by beta dimension m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 3, m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 3. Simplify this. It is m L t power minus 4 into t power minus 3 dividing by m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 3. Right, both are cancelled. Finally it is having right, no dimensional m power 0, L power 0, t power 0. Therefore the first quantity, the option A itself is maintaining right no dimension. Therefore option A itself is absolutely correct because he is asking the quantity which is maintaining the dimensionless. You are asked to decide the dimensionless quantity. Understood clearly? The same way, let's take the another important question. Look at this question. It is asking like this. the mechanical quantity which has a dimension of reciprocal of mass, that is m power minus 1. Means among the given quantities, which quantity is maintaining the dimension m power minus 1. Further, look at the torque. Torque. Torque is nothing but force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So for force dimensional formula m L t power minus 2 distance L. Directly torque is a kind of energy. The energy unit is equal to torque unit only. Finally it is m power 1 L power 1 L power 2 L power 2 T power minus 2. It is having the dimension of m power 1, not m power minus 1. Therefore A is not correct. Now let us take the B, gravitational constant. As you know, gravitational force. Listen carefully. I am trying to explain each and every point in the crystal clear manner for your better understanding. Gravitational force F equal to G m by r square, where G is the gravitational constant. Therefore, gravitational constant G equal to force multiplied by square of the radius divided by m into m, I can write as m power 2. Now let us write the dimensional formula. Dimension for the gravitational constant. Gravitation. This is the gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Force m power 1 L power 1 T power minus 2 multiplied by radius length dimension L power 2 divided by m power 2. Now we simplify it. Simplify it. Here it is m power minus 1 L power 3 T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula or dimension for the gravitational constant. Look at the dimension m power minus 1 is asking, right, which quantity is having the dimension reciprocal of the mass. Definitely V can be selected. B can be selected. Now let us decide for angular momentum and coefficient of thermal conductivity also. Angular momentum. Angular momentum. Angular momentum equal to product of angular velocity and product of angular velocity and moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. Right? Here moment of inertia, I formula, general formula mk square. M is the mass, dimensional formula m L power 2 m L power 2. Right? Omega angular velocity, its units is radians per second. It is m power 0 L power 0 T power minus 1. Therefore, the dimensional formula for angular momentum is m L power 2 T power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for angular momentum. The same way, let us write for the dimensional formula for coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. Coefficient of thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. You know, coefficient of thermal conductivity unit is watts per meter Kelvin. Right? Watts, what is the joule per second? What is the joule per second? Joule per second. So what dimension is joule is the unit of energy. M L power 2 T power minus 2, right, divided by T, right, divided by T. Finally, it is M power 1 L power 2 T power minus 3 is the dimension for the power. What is the unit of power? Right? What M power 1 L power 2 T power minus 3 M power 1 K K. Now M is cancelled. M power 0 L power 2 T power minus 3 Kelvin power minus 1. This is the dimension for coefficient of thermal conductivity. Okay, anyhow, only the gravitational constant is having the dimension reciprocal of the mass.
GeopByte.